Thinking about canceling a LegalZoom service, but not sure where to start? Whether you're no longer using their registered agent service, business monitoring, or any other subscription, it's important to know how to properly cancel so you don't get charged again. LegalZoom doesn't always make the cancellation process super obvious, but I'll break it down for you step by step. First, log into your LegalZoom account and head to your dashboard. Find the service you want to cancel, like registered agent, total compliance, or tax advisory. Then click Manage or View Details. From there, look for a cancellation option if it's available online. Follow the prompts to cancel directly. But here's the catch: some services can be canceled online. In that case, you'll need a call Legal Zoom's customer support at 188 379 0854 during their business hours. Be ready when you or order number or account info and clearly state you want to cancel the recurring service. You may need to repeat that you don't want any upsells or extensions. They might try to offer you a discount to stay. Also, make sure to ask for confirmation via email that the service has been canceled and that no further charges will apply. Keep that email for your records in case of any disputes later. Canceling legal Zoom services isn't hard, but you do need to be direct and thorough. Found this helpful? Hit that like button to support the channel and subscribe for more tips on managing your business tools. Got questions or ran into issues with your cancellation? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.